In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sejda PDF Editor. By the end, you'll be comfortable editing text, adding links and images, signing documents, and saving your finished PDF, all in your browser. Start by opening your web browser and going to Sejda.com. This site is designed specifically to help with common PDF tasks, and it works without installing any software. On the home page, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document and click it. This takes you straight to the online editor. Next, click Upload File and select the PDF you want to work on from your computer. Give it a moment to upload and load in the editor. If your file is larger, it might take a bit longer, so be patient. Once it opens, you'll see your PDF in the center and a toolbar with editing tools at the top. To modify or add text, click the Text tool. Click directly on the text you want to change, or click anywhere on the page to add new text. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so your changes match the look of your document. A helpful tip is to keep your formatting consistent for a professional finish. Zoom in if you need more precision, especially when aligning text with existing content. If you need to add or edit hyperlinks, choose the Links tool. Drag to select the text or area you want to make clickable, then enter the web address. Double-check the URL for accuracy. Small typos can break a link. If the link should be subtle, match the color to your text and remove underlines. If you want it obvious, use a standard link color like blue. To insert images, click the Images tool. Upload your picture, then drag it into position. Use the corner handles to resize without distorting it, and align it with nearby elements for a clean layout. Logos and stamps work great here. If you need to sign a document, select Sign. You can add your signature to the appropriate place and adjust the size so it looks natural. This is especially handy for contracts and forms. Make sure any signature you use is clear and legible. When you're satisfied with your edits, click Apply Changes. Sejda will process your document and prepare it for download. Finally, click Download to save the updated PDF to your computer. Choose a descriptive file name and the right folder so you can find it later. That's it, you've edited a PDF with Sejda. If this was helpful, practice with a sample file and you'll get even faster.